What's up, wanderers? I know it's been a minute. Sorry, I've been busy last couple months just with work and getting ready to move here pretty soon to the new Wander Taco house. So that's been pretty great. But on today's episode, we are going to finally be upgrading our hood struts on the truck. If you have a 3rd gen Tacoma, you know that they do not come with hood struts. So we are going to be installing the Spiker Engineering hood struts that have the double side valves. I know a couple of these kits only have one side, but this has 2, so 1 for each side. And yeah, we'll show you guys the full install so you guys don't have to worry about raising your hood and using the pole to keep it up while you're working under the hood. Stay tuned. Basically, instead of using our fancy smancy hood guy right here, we're going to be installing in this general zone the hood strut itself. We'll come down over here, same on this side and this side. So Spiker makes it super easy to install this kit. They give you everything that you guys need as far as the instructions go. You just will need a rivet gun to install the rivets. So to start with this kit, we're gonna move this ender finner liner right here so we can mark where we need our hood strut to go. Per instructions, we will take this guy off. Alright guys, from here we're going to apply some painter's tape. There should be a little V indentation right here on the side of your fender where the hood strut will go. You're going to place that tape right in between, in the middle of that guy. Tape that down so you can make your markings for your bracket of your hood strut. Alright guys, from here we're going to take our bracket. You'll see that there is 3 indentations here. We're going to line that middle bracket over the middle of that V where that painter's tape is, and then we'll mark our holes on the bottom and top for this bracket to go on. Now next up, you guys are going to want to get a 3/16 drill bit here, and you're going to, with the provided tube, you're going to stick the tube over the drill bit here. And I've already cut ours to size, but you're going to want to make sure that you have 3/8 sticking out on the end. So once you guys center punch your holes here, you can drill through with the drill bit here into your exact holes that you made. Now from here, with your provided bracket, with your rivet gun here and our rivet, we're going to align our holes here, drop our rivet into place, and clamp these holes together. We're actually going to take our hood strut here and we're going to line it basically right in the spot that we want it, and we'll mark with the bracket here exactly, there we go, get this guy to focus, bracket here, and mark exactly where we want our holes to be, and then we will drill holes and make some rivets for this bracket. Alright, from here we're going to take our rib nut gun. We will line the first hole up. We will line that guy up there. Again to apply pressure. Then we can take our provided hood strut and mount it into place, just like so. There you guys have it on one side of the hood struts going up. Huge shout out to Spiker for making this install easy. We're going to hop on over to the driver's side, repeat all steps, and I'll show you guys the finished product. We got both side struts on here. Huge shout out to Yotaverse for making quick shipping and an easy install of these Spiker hood struts. Hopefully you guys liked that video. Hopefully we will get back to our off-roading adventure soon. Just been a crazy month with work, and now we're moving into our new house, so it's gonna be a little bit, but we will get back to our adventures soon. And yeah, hopefully you guys liked that install video. If you haven't, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, Merry Christmas everyone, and happy holidays, and until next time, we'll be wandering.